Oh, lovely. Stretch and push. Wow, what a way to start a video, Avery.
Let's see you running around.
Good job, Austin. Keep going. Oh. Say hello.
Say wee. Oh. Say hi, Grandma, Grandpa. You having fun? Wow, that was...
Can you fart? Dada. Ooh, you're tickling. You're tickling. Oh.
Oh, gosh. Nice.
Do you want to tell me how you feel about Daddy?
Oh, and she just had a little bit of a fart.
Kiko? Do Kiko?
Oh my gosh. I love... Lovely.
Can I hear you talk? Oh my gosh. You happy? Oh my god.
You say I was a cranky girl? Is that why you've been cranky? Can we just get out of here? Okay. Ready for takeoff.
Oh my word.
What's it doing? Da, 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 da. No. You do it.
iPad, mommy.
Excuse me. Excuse me, baby.
Teddy bear, turn off to the left.
Why them got a beak?
So they can eat food.
Oh.
Same reason you have a mouth.
Oh, you still going? Have we exploded anywhere yet?
What'd you just tell me?
Okay, so today I was at school and I had a big I all the time I do tiny farts. That's quiet.
Okay.
And today I did a What do you think of Peppa? What do you think?
Ah! I'm gonna tickle you. I'm gonna tickle you. Ah!
Everybody in here grew up period. No.
Mom.
Dad.
Mom.
Dad. Dad.
Do it again.
You got kiss anyway.
Commercial like that.
Yeah. Hi, Munchkin.
That's the best one.
She just farted on me. I had a big old fart.
Do you like blueberries? Do you love blueberries? Can you say mama, mama? Can you say mama, mama?
Ew! I'm not gonna hold the baby anymore. I'm not gonna hold the baby.
It's time to change you, huh? Oh. Well, about that, now Mama's gonna change you again. We just did it.
Hey Google, what does a trumpet sound like?
This is a trumpet. Wesley.
No.
No?
No.
What about Walker?
No.
Bodie.
No.
Say, can you see?